Has everyone joined the session or yet to join?
No, ma'am. Uh, you join the this we are starting. Are you asking
Okay.
for leaving and joining again?
No, 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 no. I'm just saying if everyone has joined or some are yet to join.
Yeah, actually around 50 attendees are every day, and today it's showing
Hmm.
14 has joined here.
Okay. So
But
shall I
we
wait
can
for five
start.
minutes?
Okay, ma'am. We can wait 5 minutes, then we can start. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the last day of our faculty development program on data science in education. The past 4 days have been filled with the great learning and valuable insights. We hope you are excited for another enriching session. Our today's speaker, Dr. Gunjan Bhatia. It is a great honor to welcome Dr. Gunjan ma'am, an expert in data analytics and finance with over 10 years of experience in teaching and training professionals. She holds a PhD in finance and has strong skills in data analysis, financial research, and business intelligence using tools like Power BI and MS Excel. Dr. Bhatia has worked with universities and companies worldwide, including in Germany, the US, and Switzerland. She has been a research consultant and professor at the Berlin School of Business and Innovation and has trained professionals in top companies and institutions. She has also published research paper on finance and data analytics and has helped businesses use data for better decision making. Today, we are excited to have her with us to share her knowledge. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Gunjan Bhatia, ma'am. Ma'am, please feel free to begin your session. We look forward to learning from your expertise.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let me start. Thank you very much, Preeti, for giving my introduction. And good morning, everyone. How are you all doing?
Fine, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope you all are doing good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Thank you. So, our today's topic is how to integrate generative AI into research curriculum. But before moving on to the topic, I just want to introduce myself.
My voice is not audible, ma'am.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is.
Now it is audible, ma'am.
Yeah. So, can I have just a small introduction of you all, please, so that I can understand my target audience and then I can, you know, move ahead with the session.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is L. Hema.
Okay, yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
you are audible.
yeah, I'm working as assistant professor in St. Joseph Engineering College, Bangalore.
Okay. So, you are pursuing your PhD or you are done with your PhD?
No, like I did my MTech, ma'am. That's all. Like now I'm interested in data science. That's why I registered, ma'am.
Oh, okay. That's really great. Yeah. Who's next?
Ah,
Good morning, ma'am. This is Professor Kasi Vishwanath. I'm assistant professor working in Reva University, Bangalore. I'm pursuing my PhD in computer vision and deep learning. So my particular interests are in deep learning and solving the real world problems and of late recently LLM models that have come up with DeepSeek and all. So I joined this FDP so that I can learn something how we can set syllabus for our in our introduce the topics.
Universe. Yes, yes, because it's a very important these days. Because still I see many universities they haven't updated their curriculum, but the data analysis is a need of today's job market, and we should all know how to update the syllabus and what topics should be there in the syllabus.
Yes, ma'am. That is the main idea about joining.
You can call me, guys. You can call me Dr. Gunjan. So please, no formalities.
Yes, ma'am. I think I missed your introduction, ma'am. I guess so.
Uh, okay. Okay, no worries. I will give you my introduction once again. I'm Dr. Gunjan Bhatia. I have masters in the field of business management. I have bachelor's in the field of business management, masters in the field of finance, second masters in the field of banking and business economics, PhD, um, DBA mentor with SSBM Geneva. I have worked in Germany with Berlin School of Business and Innovation. I have worked with the university in US, and I have almost over 10 years of experience in the field of data analysis. I am a entrepreneur also. So I also work on AI based real time projects.
Very glad to meet you, ma'am. Currently, you're working where, ma'am?
No, I'm an entrepreneur. I
Oh,
work for
okay.
my own company.
Oh, okay. That's very good, ma'am.
Same.
You have any LinkedIn
Yeah,
profile, ma'am?
yeah. But I don't like updating my profile since I achieve something big to show to the world. So, yes, can I have a next introduction, please? Can I have a next introduction, please?
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all.
good morning.
Myself, Chanarai Priya. I'm from New Horizon College of Engineering, ma'am. I'm working as a assistant professor in computer science, including data science in that. So I found this FTB very like close to the department which I'm working, and it is helping us to learn new things and upgrade ourselves in this field.
That's really good to know.
Yeah, ma'am.
Uh, okay, so you have done your PhD.
No, no, ma'am. Like I just joined. Recently, I joined in this field, and I'm trying to like clear my exams. This time, I'm going to write my exams, university exams for that.
Okay, okay, that's really good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, please. Guys, can we have an introduction fast, please, so that I can move ahead with the session? Okay, fine. No worries. So let me start the session and let me start sharing my PPT. So, good morning, everyone. Today we have a faculty development program on integrating generative AI into research curriculum. And as you all know, I'm Dr. Gunjan Bhatia, Senior AI/ML Consultant, and I will teach you or I will guide you on the tools and methodologies that we can or you can use for the future ready research. This is my introduction. I have a bachelor's in the field of business management, first master's in the field of finance, then banking and business economics, then PhD in the field of investment, or you can say financial market. I'm a investment expert as well. I have worked with many universities, including the university in USA, including the university in Pune, including the university in Geneva, where I mentor many PhD students. And I have worked in Germany as well, and I'm an entrepreneur also. Fine, so let us start. Why integrate generative AI in research? First of all, we should ask this question to ourselves why there is a need of generative AI in research. Guys, in today's world where everyone is using AI for their day-to-day work, so it is important now that we include AI in the field of research as well. Because whatever tools you are using, they are not that up to date.
Ma'am, we are not
So
able to see your PPT, ma'am. I think you have to share it, I guess so.
you are
Share
not
your
able to
screen.
see.
Yeah.
I think I have shared it.
No, ma'am, we are not able to see it.
Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
It's loading, ma'am. Now it's loading.
It's it's loading. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am, it's still taking time.
No, ma'am.
It's not visible.
No, ma'am, not yet.
Is it visible now?
No, ma'am. It's just showing you are sharing, and but it's not loaded yet.
What can be the reason? So, any suggestions you guys can give because I have tried all the methods.
Ma'am, just to go to your PPT window. There is something called up arrow button as a host. Click on it and share the window.
On the PPT.
Madam, there is up arrow called share is there. You select that on your screen, on your Teams screen, top right.
Top
Top right.
right.
Yeah, share button is there, no, ma'am.
Or as a host,
Mm-hmm.
you might also able to see it on the bottom also.
You can share
So
your
I
screen,
have
window, or tab.
Share the window or share the app are there. You
In that, you
select
can
share
share
the app.
your entire screen.
so I have clicked on share.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
first option you can select, ma'am.
It is showing me three options. First is share,
Screen,
copy
window, or
link,
tab.
and no, it is not showing me screen window. It is just showing me share and okay. Just a second.
Sir, I request her to make Dr. Gunjan Bhatia as a host, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
already
maybe this is the reason.
we have made already.
Wait, let me open it once again.
Give your any desk, ma'am. Any desk if you have, you can give it.
Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
So it is showing me also that I am sharing my screen.
But we are not able to see.
And it is not loading as well.
Not able to see, ma'am.
So should I do like this? I share the PPT to anyone of you, and maybe you can play it for me.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Wait. Can I have a email ID of anybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm typing in chat box.
Yeah, sure. So I have sent the PPT to you, Preeti. Please check your email.
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Please start sharing.
Yes, ma'am. Now my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am,
No.
visible.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is
So
visible
why
now.
it is happening so that your screen is not visible to me but is visible to others? Is there any settings here? Because I'm not able to see your screen.
Oh.
I can't see the PPT.
Mm. Maybe in some Teams settings, ma'am. In your team settings, something.
Uh, I think you
Ma'am,
will
if
have
you
to ask.
can, you give your any desk ID, ma'am. I will check if you have any desk.
I don't have any desk, but I
Mhm.
think Preeti, you will have to check with the host or
Yeah, yeah, I
the
am the
management.
host, ma'am. Like,
Okay, but you will have to check the settings. Yeah, maybe something is disabled for the.
no, ma'am, everything is enabled. Like Preeti, ma'am, also same thing. We have made her as a presenter. Same thing, I have made you you also as a presenter only. I don't know.
So I'm not able to see your screen, Preeti. I'm really sorry. And in this, I will
Mm.
not
Can
be
you,
able to see
ma'am,
like
can you check the internet speed, ma'am?
internet speed is okay because I think like my voice is not breaking or something like that.
Ma'am, you can install any desk, ma'am. It's like simple software only.
Just a second, let me check.
Uh,
So should I download it?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Just a second, it's downloading. Okay, it's done.
Yes, ma'am. You can open it and you can see some 9 numbers. You can tell that.
Mhm. Okay, let me type it for you.
Okay.
390
Yeah, 390
689
689
911.
911. Accept my invitation.
No, for entire screen, you will have to click here. So this is my PPT.
Yes, ma'am. Enters, Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Now it is visible. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
you can close any desk, ma'am.
Okay. Sure. Fine. So now it is visible, right? Thank
Yeah, yeah,
you.
it's visible now.
Thank you. Fine. So, why we need generative AI in research? Because it enhances your productivity and efficiency. I will show you how. Then AI powered data visualization and analysis. So, data visualization and analysis is nothing but I think you guys remember the diagrams from your statistics or economics if you have um, read those subjects. So whenever we were studying correlation or regression, something like that, we were creating bar charts and pie charts and everything, and then we need to analyze that on our own. So this work is done by the AI powered tools like Power BI, Tableau, and advanced Excel. So whatever work we were doing earlier manually, these tools are doing it just within 2 minutes, and that too for the large number of data. Then automates literature reviews and summarization, supports hypothesis testing and experimentation, and promotes innovation and creativity. Then comes what are the key AI tools for the research. So if you are doing your PhD and you have to write your literature review and summarization, so you can use ChatGPT, Elicit, or Site.ai. So these three are the tools that you can use for the literature review and summarization. Means whatever literature you will write, and you will have to write a summary of that literature review. Then you can use this ChatGPT, Elicit.org, and Site.ai. So Site.ai will help you to in the citation and reference analysis, and Elicit.org will help you find and summarize the research papers. Then comes data analysis and visualization, obviously Power BI, Tableau, and Jupyter Notebook. Um, so Power BI, it makes interactive dashboards, and Tableau, it makes advanced data visualization. But just a question from you guys, do you know what is the difference between Tableau and Power BI?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody? Yes, what is the difference?
Ma'am, Tableau is mainly of data visualizations with the dashboard creations. Power
Mm-hmm.
BI is also similar thing, but it has some kind of more or less both are the same. But with latest versions, the difference between these two are very minimal. Power BI is from Microsoft and Tableau is from Salesforce. And
Yeah,
you can create a
this
data
is
story in the advanced visualization in the Tableau with the simple workflows. And similarly, in Power BI also almost does the same thing.
but like if you will not give me the, very main reason, like why I should, if I ask you, like, okay, why I should use Tableau or why I should use Power BI, then what will be your answer?
Madam, I have worked on Tableau, but have only theoretical knowledge in Power BI.
Okay, so the very main difference or very important difference between advanced Excel, Tableau, and Power BI is advanced Excel can also work for you as a data visualization tool, but it cannot take large number of data. Okay, then second comes Tableau. So Tableau also has a limitation with the data. It cannot take millions or trillions of data. But Power BI has the only power to convert million of data into a dashboard. So Power BI doesn't has that limitation. Okay, and also in Tableau, you get a 14 days free trial software, but Power BI is totally free of cost. You can work unlimited on Power BI. Okay. Then comes academic writing and content generation. So whenever you are writing your thesis or you are creating any content for for the university, or maybe you are creating a content for the university students, so you can use Grammarly and Quillboard. So what Grammarly do, Grammarly will help you in improving the grammar of the content. Like wherever you have mistakes, Grammarly will give you the suggestions. And Quillboard is, say for example, I have created a content using ChatGPT, and I want to rephrase that content. Then I can take help of Quillboard and I can rephrase that content. So basically, Quillboard is a rephrasing tool. So it can give you the rephrasing according to your wish. And if you are using a free version, then rephrasing will be according to that. And if you are using a paid version, then it will be something advanced level or something. And whatever will be your choice, it will give you the content according to that. Then comes Jenny AI. It structures the academic content generation. So whatever economic content you have generated, Jenny AI will structure the whole content. Then Cloud AI, it works as a contextual academic assistance. So I think you guys can try using these tools, or would you guys like to use these tools during the session? You want to do a practical with these things, with the tools?
Yes, ma'am. Most of the researchers will have a initial bottleneck in finding the right papers and summarizing the suitable content to come out with a research
Hmm.
gap. Once
Yeah.
identifying what is the real problem, rest of the thing is it's a matter of finding out suitable algorithms and finding out. So if you could give us how to find the right type of papers and how to really read through hundreds of papers and really make up your time after the college and study dedicatively and summarizing the papers will be a lot of bottlenecks. I'm sure many of the researchers will definitely agree with me, if not actual research, because identifying the research gaps and finding the real papers. Sometimes when we hit the papers, they are not accessible. They are closed loop.
Hmm.
So like that, I guess many of the researchers will face a lot of problems in finding suitable papers. And even if we find suitable papers, hundreds of papers, finding the right content and where is the research is heading, where is the research gaps. So that kind of initial hiccups, if one can, if you can help us, that would really be great. Because once the research is done, anyway, content is there. Anybody can put it into the content.
Hmm.
But in order to have a real content, one has to really find a suitable amount of papers. For hundreds of papers, you go through it, you finalize them only 10 papers. So 90 papers you will eliminate because it's not hitting the right context that you are looking at.
Hmm.
So in this way, I think I'm sure many researchers will agree with me how to find the right papers and summarize them as fast as possible.
Okay. So, okay, for this, I have answer to your question. First of all, I don't know how you guys move ahead in your research journey, because this is a very common problem. Being a research mentor, I have faced that many of my mentees, they don't understand even the meaning of the word research, and they take admission in PhD. Okay. Now, if you don't understand meaning of the word research, then either you should try to learn what is the meaning. So research means to find out something which is existing and doing a rework on that, doing a rework on that. Okay. Or maybe you can work on your own innovative ideas as well. You can do a research on your innovative ideas as well. So as far as you say that how to find out the research gap, first of all, you will have to make it very clear what is your interest, what is your area of interest. So first of all, find out the area of interest, and then when you will go on to the Google Scholar, you can type keywords there related to your area of interest, and you will get a list of research paper or maybe thesis done. Then after that, maybe you can take a help of Chat GPT. Definitely, Chat GPT is like a friend. Be you are a researcher, be you are in education background, you are an entrepreneur, you are in any field. So you can copy the content of the paper to Chat GPT and just give a simple prompt to Chat GPT, summarize this paper, and it will give you the whole insight of the paper. The only thing is you should know how to write a correct prompt. So I will come on to that. But before jumping on to the Chat GPT and how to write prompt, or maybe I will tell you prompt engineering, what is prompt engineering. First, I want to understand whatever tools I am discussing here, like Cloud AI and Jenny AI. Will you guys like to have a practical using how Jenny AI and how Cloud AI works?
Yes, ma'am.
So please do this little homework right now. Just type Jenny AI in your Google, and take any content and see how it structures that content. Take 10 minutes and do this exercise.
Content means, can you give an example, ma'am?
Content means, okay, if you have written something in your PhD thesis, maybe, so just open that document and copy that document into Jenny AI, and it will structure your content.
What
Okay,
document content
like
can be copied, ma'am,
yes,
along with pictures and tables?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, please.
It has reached the 200 words limit, madam.
Yeah, this is, you will find this in the Quillbot also. Like it will not rephrase your whole document in one shot. So Quillbot also has some limitations if you are using a free version. If you will use a paid version, then also it will give you the option that, okay, you can rephrase this much content in one shot. So this is the limitation of these tools. But if you don't cross the limit, then are you getting your desired result?
Good, ma'am. Actually, it is asking to wait for 2 more hours to take 200 word credit.
Yes. But is it giving you the good results?
Ma'am. Actually, the first initial one I gave, it was actually writing nicely.
Yes, yes. And what about cloud AI?
What is that, ma'am?
Cloud AI. This will help you in contextual academic assistance. Just try to use it, how it works. Cloud AI. This one, this one, this last one. So, have you done with the cloud AI? Is it giving you the
Uh,
results?
no, ma'am. I'm still trying to log into Cloud AI.
Okay.
I might need
And
some
what
more
about
time.
others? Sure, sure. Please take your time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, how was your result?
Good, ma'am. I gave one research paper I studied, and moreover, it is giving me that whatever I'm at least expecting from that paper. Claude is doing better.
So, basically, these all are, different tools for different work, and you can use them wisely for your research.
Would there be any problem of leaking our research innovation idea to the AI tools if we are giving our
No,
latest?
no, no. No. Otherwise, people would not have used ChatGPT or DeepSeek, right?
Yeah, ma'am, very confidential information can also be shared with them.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Good. So, let us go ahead with the experimental design and hypothesis testing. So, when I was doing my PhD, I used SPSS for hypothesis testing, and I think it was better at that time for us because our seniors, uh, those who didn't had, SPSS, even they had to use Excel, and whatever the results we were getting from Excel or SPSS, the results were not that satisfactory, or you can say were not in the way we were expecting it. So the results were not according to our expectations. But with AI, it is very much possible to get your results, your hypothesis testing done in a very expert manner. So for hypothesis testing and experimental design, you can use IBM Watson Studio. It's a AI-driven modeling, Google Auto ML, and it's AI for research applications, and DeepL translator that can translate your research support, AI-based multilingual research support. So maybe you guys can note down these tools and can use later on when you will be doing your hypothesis testing. If you want, you guys can note down
For
these tools.
this, ma'am,
Sorry.
can you just throw some example for this?
Some example, then again, we will have to go on to the practicals. But I don't have any, hypothesis or something for this right now. You can note down these tools and can work on them later on when you will be in the need of these tools.
Okay, ma'am. Are these free tools, ma'am?
Yes. Now next comes Chat GPT. So before moving ahead with the Chat GPT, should I give a break of 15 minutes or you want to continue? Guys, I'm going to start a Chat GPT and I will show you how it works in your research and how you can write proper prompts in Chat GPT and how it works amazingly. So, shall we take a break of 15 minutes before that?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure,
Sure.
ma'am.
So, sure. So, let's have a break for 15 minutes and then we will come back. Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, shall I start?
Sure, ma'am.
Sure, sure. Fine. So next we will come on to the Chat GPT, which is the most, amazing tool that you can use in today's world. And it's a smart computer program created by OpenAI, and it can converse with you like humans. And it uses advanced technology to understand the question and give helpful natural responses. May I know how many of you use ChatGPT? How many of you are aware of the ChatGPT and you use it actively?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are using it regularly. Then you might be knowing how amazingly it works, right? So the ChatGPT has many uses. Like it can talk with you like a human. It can provide you any information. It saves time. It can help you in your business, in your research, in any of your content, and it's a very creative app, or you can say software. And where we can use chat gpt, we can use it for learning, we can use it for writing. So I think someone asked me a question, like if I'm going through a research paper and I want to summarize the research paper, how do I know what is the research gap, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just uh, if you have access to whole research paper, then also it's okay. If you don't have access to the whole research paper, just copy paste the title of the research paper with all the information like journal, edition, everything, and try to ask ChatGPT that give me the research paper from, give me the research gap from this research paper. Just try this once. Have you tried it?
No, ma'am.
So just try. Give it a different prompts. First, ask ChatGPT, please give me the research gap from this research paper. Do it right now.
Ma'am, it says the message is too long. The error it is shown.
It is showing you error.
Yeah.
Can you please share your screen?
Um, shall I type it in the chat? It's here itself. PDF file.
No, just I want to see how you are doing it and if you can share your screen.
I can share my screen.
Yeah. Let me stop sharing and you share your screen so I will tell you how to do it.
No, ma'am, it is not allowing me to share my screen.
Not allowing you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Admin, yeah, please give him the access.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, ma'am, we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
given the access. You can share now.
I'm just sharing that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, we can see your screen.
Uh, Here, what I did, I just
Mhm.
here I just copy pasted here.
Can you scroll up?
I'm just doing the same, ma'am.
Yeah.
I've set a persona of it, and then I just copy pasted that PDF file.
No, don't do like this. Don't do
Okay.
like this. That's why I told you to share your screen. But I again want to see the whole content. So can you please scroll up? This is introduction. Okay. Okay. Please scroll down. And have you given any prompt to the chat GPT?
Yeah, ma'am. I have given you this. Can you act? This is a persona I've sent, and and then I copy pasted this.
Can you act as an expert?
This is a persona I've set
Mm,
it.
So you have given this prompt. Can you act as an expert in the field of computer vision,
Yes,
machine
yes.
learning, and deep learning? Uh, okay, so this was your prompt. It's a general prompt.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
in this prompt, you haven't mentioned chat GPT and it gave you the answer. Okay.
I, it didn't give me, but actually, while copying this itself, it's showing an error. Message is not submitted. It's too long.
Reason. See, first of all,
Reason.
yeah, please don't copy paste these references and all this. Okay. And
Oh, okay.
yeah, and I think the most proper way of writing this is if you have a PDF file, first convert it into Word document.
Okay. Okay.
Then yes, and don't include references. Please don't do like this, because okay, if it's a chat GPT, still it has it has nothing to do with the references. It will not give you the research gap from the references. So don't include that part. Okay.
Okay.
And then try to include that part only where you will be able to get a research gap, and give a
Okay.
proper prompt. So give a proper prompt. Can you give me a research gap from this research paper? Because your question was too general.
Okay.
Your question was too general, and it gave you the answer accordingly. Just read the answer.
Okay. Okay.
It has given you the proper answer. You cannot say that it hasn't given you an answer. Your question was general and the answer was general, right?
Okay. Okay.
Now let me give you just if you can stop sharing your screen, let me give you the example how it works.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So just a minute. So I have given a prompt. Please explain me what is research gap. Now let's see. Um, Sometimes it doesn't give me the answer. It's not responding. It's not responding. Uh, can you guys do it for me? Maybe because of the internet speed or something. Just write a simple prompt. Explain me what is research gap.
Just what prompt you have to give, ma'am?
Explain me what is research gap.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Explain me research gaps.
Hmm. Can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Can you able to see my screen, ma'am?
Yes. Can you please scroll down?
Clear question, ma'am.
Examples of research gap after that. Now, give it a prompt. Can you find out? Give a prompt. Can you find out a research gap from for me? Research gap for me from a research paper. And it will be better if you link it with your email account.
Email, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, if you will link it with your email, it will work better. Okay, so see here, look, the chat GPT has given you the answer that what key details it wants from you from the research paper, like title, abstract, or specific sections you want to focus on.
Title.
Yes, you will have to give the title. As I told you, give a proper title with the journal name and all the information required. Then paste the abstract, then a specific section, and it will definitely give you maybe if you will copy paste the introduction, maybe it will give you a research gap from the introduction itself.
Okay.
Yes, but first convert the PDF file into Word document. I'm sure you all know how to do it and convert it and copy paste it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So, should I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you will have to stop sharing your screen so that I can share mine. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, importance of prompts in Chat GPT. So, writing a proper prompt is very important in Chat GPT. I think you guys have seen the example for this, right? Like earlier, you gave a improper prompt and it couldn't give you the answer. But now, when you gave a proper prompt, it gave you a proper answer, right? And I'm sure after, if after this session, or maybe in between the session, you will try to find out a research gap, as as ChatGPT said that it needs a title, abstract, and everything. I'm 100% sure you will get your answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you mean by prompt? I am sure you guys might have heard about the prompt and prompt engineering. Like, what do you mean by prompt engineering and what is the meaning of prompts? So, prompts are the instructions or inputs you give to the chat GPT to guide responses. And you just have to, communicate as if you are communicating to your friend or something. You will have to give a clear instructions. or maybe the best way is, because you all are from the education backgrounds, the best way is just think how you will put this question to your student. So whatever question you are going to ask to ChatGPT, how you will put that question to your student, right? So while setting the papers for the examination, we try to keep the language that should be understandable, right? Right? And we always try that our students should understand the question so that they can give a proper answer, right? So the same way you guys have to do it, right? Now, how you can write proper prompts is you have to use a direct language to describe what you need. You should not use those terms that are of no use in your result. Okay. And you should always provide relevant details. As I told you, relevant details means if you want to find out a research gap from a research paper, so you will definitely have to give a relevant details that, okay, this is the title of the research paper, this is the journal, this is the publication date, and each and every information, then abstract, and then introduction, and then you will get a research gap from that paper. Got it? I hope you all are getting it. So you want to do this example right now, getting a research gap from the research paper.
Yes, ma'am.
So take your time, 15 minutes, and do it. And if you face any problem, you can write in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. I did it one paper. I just copy pasted. Hello.
Mhm. Mhm. Yes, yes, I'm listening.
I just copy pasted the title, abstract, introduction, dataset, methodology, and results. And
Mm,
I asked the chat GPT to give what is the contribution of the paper and
mm.
this thing, but somehow I'm not satisfied with the results. Incompletely it is showing.
Can you please share?
Yeah, I can share the
Maybe,
screen.
maybe some problem in your prompt.
Can you see that, ma'am? Window now.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
What I did, I just copy pasted this research paper. Can you see the
Mm-hmm.
research paper?
Yes, yes.
I lifted title, introduction, abstract, and methods and all.
Mm-hmm.
I just asked them what is the research gap. Here I copy pasted this.
Mm-hmm.
Only the content.
Hmm. And this is again PDF?
No, no. I just copy pasted, extracted the content, and then I copied only the text.
No, no. So whatever content you have copied it from PDF or from the
Yes,
document
yeah,
file.
from the research paper. Yeah, from the research paper.
No, no, no. I'm asking you a question that you have copy pasted the content from the PDF file or from the Word document file.
From the notepad file.
Okay. Okay, here's the research paper. Give me the research gap in the paper. No, 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 no. You will not have to write like this. Again, there is something in the prompt. Okay, so just come down in the last. Just scroll down. Okay. Now, what you expect from this?
I'm expecting this paper should clearly mention there's a two-stage proposed method compared to the existing methods. And in
Hmm.
the future, we can do better with optimizing the results with deep learning methods.
Hmm. So write down this in the chat box.
So what I have to write?
Whatever your question is, write down clearly in the chat box. First you
No, no, that
type,
is
then
not
I
my
will.
question. I'm expecting that answer.
Okay, whatever you are expecting. So first you will have to give the question, then only you will expect an answer, right? How you will expect
Okay,
an answer if you will not ask a prompt or question. Got
okay,
it?
okay, okay,
So first write down the prompt here. You just write down, and wherever you will be wrong, I will correct you.
okay.
Okay, just enter it. So now are you satisfied with the answer or not?
Yeah, bit better, improved.
So see, this is the work of the prompt. Okay,
Okay, okay,
so first, either write down the content, okay, either paste the content and enter, and then write a prompt. But write a
okay,
prompt very clearly, as I told you. Like, okay, if you are setting an examination paper and you expect a answer from your students, so the same way you have to write a question here, thinking that ChatGPT is a student and you expect the answer from the ChatGPT. Okay,
okay, okay, okay.
and you have to write it properly in the same way. Now see how wonderfully it has given you the result properly, right?
It's improved actually.
Yeah.
Still, there are some things are there, but it's better actually the previous answer.
So whenever it happens, look, okay, if you are not satisfied with this one also, you can again write another prompt giving a proper keyword.
Okay,
Just write down here. Can you please analyze this research paper for me? Write down here. Just enter. So here is the analysis of the research paper. What else you need? Got it?
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Fine. And what about other audience? Are you guys also doing parallelly something, this exercise?
Good, ma'am. Actually, this is a improved answer.
Actually, so as
Yeah.
I told you, in ChatGPT, the whole role is played by the prompt. That's why prompt engineering is another, hot job in the job market, because not everyone knows how to write a prompt. Everyone knows about ChatGPT, but no, not everybody knows how to get a result or how to get a, proper result from the ChatGPT. So everything depends upon the prompt.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, more clear the prompt will be, you will get a amazing answer for that.
How do you know? How do we know that this ChatGPT.com which version is using?
How do we know?
Is it 3.0 or 4.0 it is using, or it is just like a
It will
older
show
version?
you there in your ChatGPT. Anyways, whenever you will open your ChatGPT, it will always open you a upgraded version,
Okay,
just like
okay,
Power BI. Yes,
okay,
just like Power BI. So you don't have to do anything whenever you will open your Power BI. So in Power BI also, it will automatically give you the notification that upgrade is available and you have to upgrade your version, and just click on the upgrade and your version will be upgraded.
okay, okay, okay.
Anybody else? Any question? No questions? So let us move ahead. Next comes AI PRM. what is AIPRM? So AIPRM is elder brother of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is still a small kid. You will have to make it understand that okay, ChatGPT, do this for me, do that for me, just like a small kid. Okay, you have to tell them everything, right? If you have to ask a small kid that hey, get me a glass of water, you will have to give a proper instructions to the kid, right? Am I right? If you guys have deal with the small kids, so you need to give them a proper instructions that okay, take glass from there, go there and take a water. Am I right? So the same way you have to give clear instructions to chat gpt if you have to get a result. But in AIPRM you are not required to give the prompts. In AIPRM you will get the prompts automatically. It is a tool which is prompt enabled. So you will get many prompts. You will get many prompts from all the different fields and domains, and you can choose any prompt from this. Do you want to do a practical on this? You guys want to do a practical on this AIPRM?
Yes, ma'am.
Open AIPRM in your Google and share your screen. AIPRM.com. Yes, here it is, your cheat code for AI. Now, you can install it or you can work even without installing it. Can you please scroll down? So, click on explore all AIPRM features. See, click verified prompts, custom tone and writing styles, prompt management for you and your team. Can you please scroll down? High quality AI prompt library. See, it is giving you the example here. Nearby human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. Can you see it? Private prompts for you and your team. Can you scroll down? Custom GPT community prompts. See? So it will give you this kind of prompt and content below the prompt, and whatever content you want, you can take that content. It can give you the prompts for YouTube, it can give you the prompt for healthcare sector, for marketing sector, for any sector. You just have to click on that prompt and get your content. And if you are not satisfied or if you are not getting a prompt you are looking for, then you can type your own prompt as well. It also works amazingly. Okay, so guys, let's have a 15 minutes break, and you can explore AIPRM in that break, and we will be back at 12:25. Okay. Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I hope you all did. I hope you all explored AIPRM. Any questions? Guys, anybody, any questions?
Ma'am, this AIPM is a paid tool, madam.
No, it's a free tool. It's a free tool. You can write books on it. You can write stories. You can take a help writing stories, books, and many other things. I hope you might have explored it. And I will suggest you guys, whenever you use Chat GPT or AIPRM, just link it to your email account, and it will work better then. Okay. Anybody, any questions, please?
Are there any workflows also you have done, madam, in this?
As in
Or workflow pipelining of the workflow?
in AIPRM?
Yeah. In general,
As in,
uh, madam, typical you have a pipelining of the task, no, madam. Hello.
I'm not getting your question.
Workflow management, madam. Like you might have some continuous data collection, data pre-processing, then data that, and then you do training, then deployment. Like a continuous work is there, no? Like that. If you want to do it, you will do a deployment, right? So
Okay, so
similarly
you
for the
want,
AI chatbot, if are there any real applications deployment, there is need to be some workflow need to be maintained.
mm-hmm. So you want to
So
use
how do
AIPRM for that?
I'm asking you, what is that equivalent you do it in for chatbot?
So basically, okay, as I told you that okay, chatbot. It is not a chatbot. It's like in Chat GPT, you are required to write a prompt, right? But in AIPRM, it is prompt enabled. So few of the prompts are given to you, and you can take. I'm not sure if you have explored it properly or not, but please explore it properly. And a few of the like it is prompt enabled, so you can use those prompt and content automatically. Or maybe if you are not satisfied, or whatever prompt you are looking for is not available in AIPRM, then you can type your own prompt, and AIPRM can also give you the results accordingly, as chat GPT do.
Okay, okay,
Okay, so first you will have to explore it.
okay.
Okay, so
It is
I
actually
hope.
asking to install AIPRM, so I was didn't install, so that's the reason I'm just asking.
Ah, okay, okay. Uh, I think you can get prompts even without installing also. Just type aiprm.com. Click on the prompts, aiprm.com, click on the prompts, and then you will get all the prompts. Again, if you will scroll down the screen,
Okay.
If you will scroll down the screen, you will find all types of AI prompts. So whatever prompt you want to use, it's be it a application prompt, marketing prompt, copywriting, whatever, you can use those prompts for your work. See, you might be getting so many prompts, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is how it works. So no need to install or something.
Okay.
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 Okay, so let us move ahead because we have only 10 minutes left. After that, I will keep a question answer session, Q&A session. And so in 10 minutes, I just want to understand from you guys, because I cannot teach the whole data analysis or maybe Power BI in these 10 minutes. I will request management if you can keep offline or face-to-face workshop for Power BI, because it will be, more beneficial for your attendees or your audience. As I can see, not many of them are that responsive. And if you actually want to understand what is Power BI and how it works, so I will suggest management that if you can keep a offline workshop for that. So in that we teach everything like how to do data pre-processing or set data cleaning and everything. But initially I can only teach the crux of the data. What do you mean by data? So I think this is just a simple question and a basic question. Anyone can answer, what do you mean by data? I hope you guys can answer this.
Um, a collection of observations,
Okay. What else?
a continuous recording at a specified quantum time for a period of time to represent that domain specific information.
So if I don't complicate it, if I say only that data is basically a information, if I don't want to complicate it, the meaning of the data, if I say, if I just say that data means information, so is it right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am, but something, if it makes sense, it becomes information, otherwise, it becomes a raw.
If it makes sense, then it becomes a information. So if it is making sense and if it is a information, I think then only it becomes data.
No, data is whether it makes sense or doesn't make sense, just a data.
Okay. Whether it makes sense or not, still it's a data.
Data. Collection of that events, collection of the happenings.
Okay, but just an example. For example, I ask you that I'm an entrepreneur. Okay, I have a company and I have a database, or I can say I have information of my customers. Okay, and I want to turn that information into a dashboard. So, what will be your answer then?
Ma'am, again, depends on the what is the problem at hand that customer is given to you. What type of analytics we are supposed to do? Is it prescriptive analytics or descriptive analytics or
No,
predictive
that one
analytics
is
that you
a,
have to do?
no, descriptive and prescriptive, that one is a totally different thing. And it has nothing to do with the customer. I am only saying that I am a entrepreneur. Okay, I am a owner of the company and I have a information of my clients. I have a information that how many clients are, my regular buyers. Sorry. How many online clients I have, how many offline clients I have, what is the age group of my clients, what are their likings, what are their dislikings. Okay, I have all this information. So can I turn this information into a visualization?
Yes, ma'am. We can do that.
But I'm using a word information.
Its information is because you belong to that company, but as an external person, for me, it is a data.
Okay, great. Fine. So let us go ahead. Now, what is data analysis? So, data refers to raw facts, figures, or information collected from various sources, often without context or interpretation. And data can be in any form, be it a number, text, image, video, anything. And when we process and analyze the data, then it becomes information. Okay, and that information help people or organization make informed decisions, reveal patterns, predict outcomes, or gain insights. And in data analytics, data serves as the foundation for analysis and modeling, where tools and algorithms are applied to uncover trends, optimize processes, or enhance user experiences. Okay, so in data analytics, the most important thing is data. Without data, there will be no analytics or no data analytics. So, as you said, that the raw fact, figure, or any information that is collected from the various sources is termed as data. I hope I'm clear till here. Okay, and if I talk about the analysis, so what is the meaning of the analysis? What is the meaning of the analysis? Can anyone explain me in the layman language, in layman terms, what is analysis?
Deducing some meaning out of the data.
Some meaning out of the data. Can you give me the example?
Ma'am, is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, analysis means something like from the data, we try to find some information, like some meaning, find some meaning out of the data.
Yeah. So basically, I think if you remember, we gave a task to ChatGPT to analyze that research paper, right? And what it did, it abstracted the important information from the whole research paper, right? It analyzed everything, the strengths of the research paper, the weaknesses of the research paper, what is the research gap, what better can be done, right? So, this is what analysis is. So, same way when we analyze a data and turn out that data into some meaningful information using the visualization, using any tool be it a Power BI or Tableau, then it becomes a data analysis and visualization. Got it? Got it? Okay. So, okay, guys. Now I'm open for the Q&A session. If you have any questions, please ask me, or else I will wind up the session. If you guys have any question, then please ask me, or else I will wind up the session.
Madam, you also take up some projects work, madam.
Yes.
In which domain, madam?
Any domain, technical and non-technical. So basically, me, my company, and my team, we work on projects, technical, non-technical, any project based on this AI and Power BI, whatever projects.
I mean, like your domain, which domains you mainly worked, madam?
AI ML.
Like which, business domains?
No, any domain. We work for the healthcare industry. Also, we work for the marketing. Any domain. We are not specific to any domain. Education sector, legal sector, any sector.
From that experience, can you give one example, like how the problem statement started and how did you arrive at some solution? Like,
How the problem statement started, and yeah, I can give
uh,
you a live example of mine. So I was traveling, and I was in Dubai. So um, I used to, I just once used Dubai Metro to experience it. And when I was going through there, people get a particular annual card to use Dubai Metro. But the thing is, you have to recharge that card. They have their machines like ATM machines, and you have to go there. You have to put your card, and then you have to recharge it. The problem statement started when I saw that few of the machines at metro stations were not working, and people were really worried. First thing. Second thing, those who were new with the machines were not able to use the machine, how to use the machine to recharge it. So from here, the problem statement started, and I found out the solution for that problem statement, and now we are working on that project. So I think if we are a researcher, we can see the problem statement and we can find out the, innovative ideas or something to turn that problem statement into a solution. I hope I'm clear.
yes, ma'am.
Any other question, anybody? Anybody else? Any question? Or else I will wind up the session.
Madam, how do we contact you, madam?
You can message me on my LinkedIn.
Same Gunjan Bhatia, madam.
Yeah, Dr. Gunjan Bhatia, but you will have to, give your introduction, because I get many requests daily, and if I don't recognize anyone, I don't accept it. So just give a introduction that you attended my FDP or something like that, and you can message me. Anybody else? Any questions? Fine. So let us wind up the session. I hope you all enjoyed the session. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me through a LinkedIn. If you need any guidance, any projects, on any projects or something like that, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Okay. Thank you management for giving me this opportunity and organizing this FDP. I will again request you guys to just schedule face to face workshop for Power BI. I am 100% sure you and your audience will definitely enjoy the workshop, and me and my team will be able to give insights on how to use Power BI, and that much I can say. So everybody have a nice day, and thanks for joining the session.
Mhm. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for such an interactive and informative session. And we deeply appreciate the valuable knowledge you have shared with us today. And I will pass your suggestion to the management for organizing offline workshop in the future as well. Once again, we sincerely thank you for your time and efforts.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am. And there is an announcement for tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we will have the evaluation validatory one hour session from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Thank you all for your active participation today. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Have a great day.
Thank you, madam.